Well, guys, another warm welcome to Intentional Living with yours truly, myself, Sharon. Guys, in today's video, it's actually a very exciting one. You guys know how groceries are so expensive in this inflation market. And for me and my family, and especially as a single mom, one income, I am constantly looking for ways to save on my groceries because it is just the one expense that is a variable expense. And I'm always looking for ways to just ensure that I'm staying on budget. So I'm constantly looking for ways where my family and I can eat healthy and be able to afford all the other things that we need in life, right? Okay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 20 grocery items that my family feeds on every single week. I buy them every week or every 2 weeks, and I buy my groceries out of Amazon and they deliver to my house. These are the foods that we eat every week, and I'm gonna go through each one of them for you guys because I have realized, like, if you have constant food that you always cook, it helps keep that budget low because all you just have to do is replenish when you run out of it. Okay, so for my protein, the number one food that I would tell you your family needs is ground beef. This can go on pasta, you can make meatballs, you can make beef patties for hamburgers. So there's a lot of ways you can use ground beef. The second protein is whole chicken. I always go the route of buying a whole chicken because one, it's cheap, but I cannot tell you how many ways you can use a whole chicken, feeding your family for a whole week or even up to almost 2 weeks. You know, it can go in a salad. You can just have it with potatoes or whatever that you have. Whole chicken goes a long way. Okay. Sardines. These are like the quick, easy fix meals. I always buy this, and I love this with the olive oil because I could use the olive oil to cook other stuff. And so those are my protein, and of course eggs. I buy the smaller eggs because my kids are allergic to eggs, but then I have a friend at work who normally would give me some because she has chickens in her house. So those are my sources of protein. Let's go to grains. For the grains, guys, beans and rice. I think every family needs that. It's the quick, cheap, and healthy meals that you can always meal prep, and that is what I plan to do today. Do a lot of meal prep so we have food in the fridge, and as the work week starts, we don't have to be thinking about what are we going to be eating. And pasta. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these pasta sites. They go for $1, but man, my kids love it. So whatever it is, whatever your pasta choice is, and then I have spaghetti here because I got the ground beef. Probably that is what I'm gonna make as part of my meal prep. So let's go to the vegetables. For the veggies, I usually buy my veggies frozen just because if I don't use them, then they don't go bad. I just put it in the freezer. And this is the diced onions, celery, and carrots. I use this on soups. You know, if I make my chicken and I want to make chicken noodle soup, yes, that is what I go for. I always have a salad in my house because, again, I have a whole chicken that I'm gonna bake. It is my go-to, quick, healthy, and easy to make. And then I have, frozen vegetables. Like this is just mixed vegetables where you can just either cook it with the chicken and just have it as a meal. Let's go to dairy. For dairy, I always have either I buy a block of cheese and shred it, or I just get shredded cheese depending on what I know I'm going to be cooking for that week. So with whatever it is, I always have to have cheese in my grocery list, and of course butter. It goes a long way, makes everything taste better. And then of course milk. You have kids, you know they go through a lot of milk. Make pancakes or make my kids just drink a lot of milk. So I always have to have that. And I have flour that I could choose for different things, bake cookies, make chapati, which is almost like a tortilla here. And my kids love because I can make chicken quesadilla. That is one of their favorite go-to meals. Let's talk spices. I'm gonna start with the olive oil. Man, have you guys seen how expensive olive oil is now? Um, if you live close to a Mediterranean store, you might want to check it out over there because they still have theirs quite cheaper. Like I got this bottle, which is it's a 1 liter bottle. I think it was $7.99. In any other place like Amazon, they all go for like $15 and above. So that is one way to shop. And of course, everything tastes better with onions. I mean, you can't really go wrong with even if you just cook with onions and nothing else, right? For salt or any seasoning, I always try to go with either better than bouillon or the one that I have right now is just chicken flavored bouillon. And sometimes I use salt, but I could go without it. And then tomatoes. I have tomatoes in the garden now, so I'm going to be canning those, but I always have to have a tomato paste in my house. I use it for different things. So you can either shop like crushed tomatoes or canned tomatoes, whichever your choice is. And if you have fresh tomatoes like I do in the garden, and I do have a lot of herbs too in the garden, so that's another plus for me because I can easily get cilantro, I can have green onions. I have different things growing in the garden that I can always use, and I'm gonna try and dry them out or chop them up and freeze them for the winter time. And of course, garlic. I don't know why I always go for this minced one. I think I just don't have the time to peel, fresh garlic. But this one is it's garlic in olive oil. So it is so good. It's one of my favorites. For fruits, I always go with apples and bananas and whatever else that is on season. This week there was grapes on sale, so I got some of that. And of course, lemons. Oh my gosh. Cannot live without no lemons, right? Those are just good for marinating my chicken. I make my salad dressing from the lemons in olive oil. So you cannot go wrong with fruits. You just buy them on their own season. Yeah, so that is my list, guys. For the 2023, that is all we buy, week after week after week. And I have seen that works for us. It saves us a lot of money. And let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think of this list? And let me know in your family, what is your list looks like. Guys, thank you again for joining me for this video. Thank you for our new subscribers. Continue to tune into our videos every single Friday. Please like, comment, and share this video. Until then, guys, peace.